Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. Abhi,
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
how are you all?
Good evening, sir.
Fine, sir.
Fine. Okay. Okay, so good evening, everyone. I just turn on my video so that you're able to see. How's everyone? So we have Shubhankar, Pratish, Anish, Dheeraj, Harit BS, Arnish. Okay. Can I know your names? Who is this Galaxy J4 Plus?
Yes, sir. I am Kushal.
Okay, you're from KV2, right? Okay. Chalo. Let us begin our session today. Acha, before beginning, I just want to see all of you. So can you just turn on your videos so that I can see all of you? Okay, good evening, Bharnik, Dheeraj.
Good evening, sir.
You all seem enthusiastic. Quick. Chalo. Others. Shubhankar, Pritish, Nerit, Anish. Fast, जल्दी video on कीजिए.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, Nerith. How was the test today, Nerith?
Good, sir. It was easy.
Good.
And
Anish, how was the test today?
uh, the fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, so let us begin our session today. I'm very excited, finally. So last time we had just a revision session and hope it was helpful. Okay. So today we'll be seeing something which is generally not discussed. What you can say is little hidden knowledge. So this knowledge is little bit what you can say hidden. Secret bolte hain na. So there are many secrets in life. So like this, today's session will be containing some secrets जो आपको कभी शायद सुनने नहीं मिला होगा. ठीक है. So many times in life what happens, we have many things, we have many thoughts, but वो thoughts कभी हम लोग express नहीं कर पाते या वो thoughts कभी you are not able to share with anyone. We feel that maybe people will misunderstand me or they'll think that I'm crazy. So बहुत बार लाइफ में ऐसा होता है कि बहुत अंदर अंदर हमारे कुछ थॉट्स रहते हैं, कुछ फीलिंग्स रहते हैं, कुछ डिजायर्स रहते हैं, बट somehow वो जनरल जो लोग हैं, द मास ऑफ पीपल डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इट और वी फील दैट दे डोंट नो और अंडरस्टैंड इट. सो दैट इज हम लोग कभी एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते. ठीक है. सो टुडेज सेशन विल बी some things like that. So in the first two sessions we saw कि distraction हमारा choice होता है. Then we saw that what are the different distractions which are present. And in the second session we concluded by saying that distraction is our own choice. We own choose our like whatever distractions we get in our life, it is our own choice, right? Now what is the root cause of distractions? This we'll be seeing. So for this we have to understand first of all who are we. ठीक है, तब हमको समझ में आएगा. वो my voice is slow क्या? Is my voice slow?
No, sir.
Is my voice all right, everyone?
Yes, sir. It's fine.
Okay. So yeah. So first of all we need to know कि हम लोग कौन है and मतलब क्या है हमारा existence. We need to know more about these things and then we'll be able to understand कि हम लोग distract होते क्यों है. ठीक है. So this is the first quotation. Would anyone like to read this? Yes, they can raise their hands. Anyone would like to read this out? Okay, Dheeraj, yes.
Introduction. If we focus on just fixing the symptoms, we are wasting our time and energy. Instead, we should find a root cause and fix that. Although finding the root cause may require courage and persistence, it is the only true way of fixing the problems. By Timo Kiander.
Yeah, very good. So this is a very nice quotation which I read, and it is said that we should focus on fixing the symptoms, not just focus on fixing the symptoms. We should find a root cause and fix that. Okay. So a simple analogy which is given in the scriptures is the analogy of a tree. So we all know that the tree is something like this. So tree has roots, then it has its bark, and then it has many leaves also. So I'm just drawing a rough one. Okay. Okay. So the tree has fruits, it has leaves, and many other things it has. Branches it has. See, I'm not a good painter and all, but okay. Suppose this is a tree है हमारा. Okay. So now if a tree is like this, so the tree has a root which is generally not visible. हमको generally दिखता नहीं है. And the tree has the something called the visible part, or it has the branches and leaves. Right? ऐसे होता है. So जो हमारे problems होते हैं life में, whatever problems we face. So it has something called as an external manifestation. Bahari manifestation hota hai. We are able to see some things very clearly. Just like suppose aapka, you get a disease, you get fever. So fever ka symptom kya hai? Symptom of fever is you will be able to read the temperature. तो thermometer से आप temperature read कर सकते हैं, है ना? But fever होता क्यों है? So there are various reasons. Maybe you are not maintaining proper cleanliness, you are not eating properly, so or the weather might be bad. So that is like the root cause. ठीक है? So if you want to cure any disease or if you want to solve any problem, it is always better to go to the root and solve it. ठीक है? So if you remove the roots of a tree, then automatically the tree will be gone. Tree will die. है ना? So similarly, if you remove the root cause of the problem, then all the problems can be solved actually. And this is what the scripture suggests. Okay. So now the problem is in the modern age and modern education, modern technology, the problem is that we are so much focused on technology, but generally we don't teach people the values of life. हम लोग लाइफ के बारे में बताते नहीं. So I've heard from many people earlier also, those who are like my parents or grandparents or even seniors also, who were earlier studying in their schools. So वो लोग बताते हैं हमेशा कि we used to read the story of Mahabharat, we used to read the story of Arjuna, then we used to see many stories from Ramayana, Mahabharat, and then very various kinds of moral stories also. So earlier a lot of emphasis was given on values. What are the sacred values of life? But what happens or what has happened recently is that slowly these values have been devalued, or these values have been not given even enough emphasis. ठीक है? ऐसा होता है, actually ऐसा हुआ है. So because people के values नहीं है, लोगों के values नहीं है, so naturally they misuse their power, property misuse करते हैं, they misuse their position, they exploit others, they want to enjoy life on the cost of others. So this is the problem actually. So actually technology itself is not bad, but through technology lot of bad values have been portrayed and lot of bad inhuman values have been put in our minds. So that is our value system also is affected. So this is how technology basically affects our value system. ये हम 2-3 क्लास से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हमेशा. So this is the big problem. So it is told that technology is like a knife. So again, I'm repeating this. So if you use it for a proper cause, then you can do something wonderful. But if you not use it for a proper cause, then you can cause disaster also. है ना? So technology itself is not bad, but generally technology का use गलत चीजों के लिए होता है या फिर उससे गलत चीजें हमारे माइंड में डाली जाती है. ठीक है? So this is that. Now इसका simple example है. Suppose you take a situation like this. Okay. So left side में क्या दिख रहा है? There are different TV channels which are present. ठीक है? There is India TV, NDTV, like this. So there are many news channels, there are many serials, there are movies, movie का channels है, और क्या है? Like this, songs का भी channel है. So many television channels are there. ठीक है? So how many television channels depict something which is valuable and which makes a human a good person? Can anyone tell? कितने ऐसे channels है TV पे जो they teach about values, they teach about being a good human being?
Very
They-
few.
कोई बता सकता है? Varnik is saying very few. Yes, Pavan.
Sir, I regularly watch means
You regularly watch what?
our family regularly watches. I'm specifically talking about news channels. That is Z News, and there is a program called DMA every every day at 9 p.m. So I feel that's very good. Means that particular anchor talks about uh, what happened in past and how technology is affecting us and whatever's happening means they show whatever that is good for human values also, and they show normal general news also.
Okay. So you are quoting one particular program from one particular channel, right? Generally, other channels do not depict something which is valuable for our human life. ऐसे generally होता है ना. So if you open any news channel, what will they show? They'll show ये scam हो गया. They'll show some disaster has happened. They'll show यहाँ पे terrorist attack हो
So
गया.
generally very negative news.
Yeah. So generally जो television का output है. See, I'm not again criticizing. जो है वो बता रहा है. So due to this, what happens? Because if you are very much habituated to watching TV and watching these channels, so आपके mind में वो भर जाता है. It gets stored in your mind, and then it affects you also. ठीक है. So I'll honestly ask you, how many times have you tried to imitate the favorite hero or heroine जो आपका है? You can raise your hand.
Can you repeat your question?
Question is, how many times have you tried to do something which is depicted in a movie? Favorite hero या heroine या फिर जो भी है. Yes?
Sir, repeat your question. I couldn't understand.
Yes,
Okay. My question is, how many times, yeah, how many people agree with this? That sometime in their life, they have tried to imitate the hero which they are seeing in the movie, hero or heroine, which they are seeing in the movie. Movie dekh rahe, फिर serial dekh rahe. Yes, honestly, they can raise your hands.
Sir, what did the word which you said, ini? What you said?
Sir is asking that whether you have imitated any hero or any actor or actress, your favorite actor or actress of any movie or any scene of a movie like that.
He's asking, have you tried to copy them?
Yeah. That's what I'm asking. Copy. How many of you agree? You can raise your hands. No one. My lord, you're all from where? I don't know. Really?
Sir, I copied, sir, many times.
Okay. One student is saying, sir, neither I don't have any hero or heroine, nor I watch any movie. That is very good. Narit. बाकी लोग नहीं है, अरे वाह. I'm really surprised.
Sir, I too imitated.
Yeah, Pavan is there. But others, Adrika, Arnesh, Barnik, VS, Dheeraj, Hadi.
No, sir. I have never tried to copy anyone.
Okay. So जिन लोगों ने हाथ उठाए उनको दिख रहा है at least कि they are trying to imitate. Okay. But even if you don't agree, whatever you see on the screen, whatever you actually feed in your mind, that automatically comes in your behavior. Many times we don't notice also. Just like if you see, at least I have seen that whenever, I'll give a simple example. When I was studying for my JEE Advanced, so that time our physics teacher was there. So she was a very good physics teacher. But at the same time, she always used to converse in English. She never used to speak in Hindi, never. Even though her mother tongue was Hindi, and she was very good in Hindi also. But I remember most of the time in the class, every time, she used to speak in English and converse in English. And whenever a student used to ask her a doubt, कि ma'am ये समझ में नहीं आया, or can you explain this step? So then she used to encourage the student also to speak in English. Okay. So what happens just by this act of hers to speak in English? So slowly I also developed the habit of speaking in English, at least with her. So whenever I used to meet her and talk with her, so she used to ask in English and I used to speak in English only. So now that has become a habit. Before that, I was not that good in speaking English, but now I've become quite decent. And also one more example from my life I can give. Earlier I was very much into this hearing songs. So I was very much into hearing English songs when I was very young, 6th, 7th standard. So even though I did not understand the lyrics, but slowly I was able to grasp their accent. So sometimes when I speak, sometimes American accent comes. So that is due to hearing the American people continuously speaking. And one more example I can give, my this uncle is there who is in America right now. He is a president of some company, one big company. So when I talk with him, even though he speaks in Marathi with me, but still he speaks in like his accent is such that it seems that some American person is speaking. Even though he's born in India, he lived earlier in
Sir,
India only.
he's a sir. Sorry,
Yeah,
your mother tongue is Marathi.
yeah. So he used to speak with in like spoke with me in Marathi only, but the accent which he had, it is completely American only. So like so that is the influence of whatever association you have. Okay. So this is the for TV, and similarly social media is there. So much social media is around us. Now I don't know, so many platforms are also there. So if you use it, obviously you'll get infected by the things which are shown in the media. है ना? So this is the fact you have to understand. And the problem is because of all this technology, we have become very much accustomed to getting immediate pleasure. एकदम अभी मजा चाहिए बस सर जैसी क्लास खत्म होगा सर अभी टीवी देखेंगे और या फिर कुछ खाने जाएंगे या फिर you know something you want to do something immediately, or you just want to check the WhatsApp status, you want to do something on Facebook, you want to watch a new movie. So the technology, what it has done, it has uh, increased our desire for immediate pleasure. Abhi chahiye abhi sir, abhi bas. I know some, at least some of my friends are there, like they cannot live without these things. They cannot live without social media, at least after coming to college. I know a few people, like they are become so addicted, मतलब वो रह नहीं सकते. अगर उनका मोबाइल से व्हाट्सएप डिलीट कर दे तो they'll become angry and they'll shout at you. ठीक है. So this is what happens, and because we are getting so much accustomed to getting the immediate pleasure, एकदम जल्दी चाहिए result, एकदम जल्दी मजा आना चाहिए. So that leads to degradation of human values. How? Yes, sure. So the result of all this is, okay, would anyone like to read this? कोई पढ़ना चाहेगा? Yes, would anyone like to read this? Volunteer. Okay, Shubhankar.
Result is values like patience, righteousness, morality, kindness, service.
आपका आवाज बंद हो गया. Service. After that. Okay.
Respect are perceived as unnecessary and troublesome. Values and culture.
ठीक है. This पहले first line. So now the values like patience. ठीक है, patience होना चाहिए life में. Like it is said that patience is the key to success. है ना? So now because of this instant pleasure which we are getting very easily, so many times we are becoming very impatient. Like इसका example, I can give the example of some sports person. At least I know some sports person. So what happens? The example are crude होएगा, ठीक है. So there is one sports person I know, badminton player. So I know that he has a record of breaking rackets. Badminton racket रहता है ना. So when you
Yes.
play for a little high level, so the rackets, oh my brother is here. The rackets are also quite costly. Okay. So because the rackets are quite costly, so you have to use it nicely. So I know that person, whenever he used to lose any match, many times he was very talented player. He's a very talented player. But whenever he would lose a match, he would take the racket, he would literally break the racket in the stadium only, सबके सामने. So ऐसे करके करके उन्होंने बहुत सारे रैकेट तोड़ दिए. तो जनरली बच्चे लोग इम्पेशेंट हो जाते हैं कि अभी रिजल्ट नहीं आया तो कैसे होगा. मतलब become very angry. ठीक है. Then the second.
Sir, can you name that particular player?
No. There are many players. Like there's one One incident is there's one Zinedine Zidane, if you know. He 2006 World Cup final. He got little impatient and he bet another player. He got a red card for that. Okay. So like this, many are there. So this is one thing. And second is righteousness. Righteousness means doing things in a righteous and in a very moral way, in a what you can say correct way. So कोई भी चीज अगर करना है लाइफ में, so there is a good way to do it and there is a not a good way, not a very good way, or you can say bad way of doing the things, right? So suppose you want to eat a mango. Simple example. If you want to eat a mango, किसी को mango खाना है, so you can go to the market, you can purchase a mango and then you can eat it. That is one way of doing. Okay. Second thing is you can go to the market and you can try to find an opportunity when the shop seller is not shop seller का ध्यान नहीं है, and you can steal a mango and run away and then eat the mango. Okay. So both the cases you're enjoying the mango. But first way is a righteous way of doing it. It requires little more time, little more effort, little more honesty. And second way is doing it illegally. So again, this kind of values are
चालू है meeting.
yes, sir. And morality, kindness, service, humility. I can just keep on speaking like this. But so these values are considered unnecessary and troublesome. How many of you agree with this? How many of you agree that these values
Me.
are
So me.
unnecessary and troublesome? You
Yes,
can,
sir. I also agree that they are unnecessary.
okay, but
Sir, I agree that they are troublesome, but they are not unnecessary.
I want an honest answer from everyone. Okay. बाकी लोग प्रतीका, स्वर्णिका, स्वर्णा, Hadi, Narit. Yes. Yes. You can just raise your hand if you consider this qualities and unnecessary and troublesome. At least आपको ऐसे
So
लगता है कि हाँ बोलिए
so
बोलिए.
sometimes it does. So when you want something urgent and the person you are asking they don't answer, then
Yeah. So maximum students are agreeing. I'm seeing their hands that these qualities are considered unnecessary. कि जरूरत क्या है सब चीज को भाई? अभी तो मॉडर्न एज आ गया, हम लोग तो बड़े हो गए, अभी हम लोग इवॉल्व हो चुके हैं. Who wants to be patient and do things in a right way or being moral, kind रहना चाहिए. कहाँ है सब? These are things are utopian, In this world, these things don't exist. Humility, giving respect, these सब है ना. So actually, these values, if you see carefully, these values were depicted in the movies which are made little earlier. So if you go 20-30 years back, जो movies थे, the TV serials आते थे, some of the most famous TV serials is Ramayana and Mahabharata, even now also.
Sir, what you said now, sir?
Yeah.
I told you that DNA show, sir. That anchor also told that means the topic was also this only. 20-30 years ago, this
ठीक
there
है,
were
let me speak.
epics, and but now there are some quarrels between mother, daughter-in-law and mother-in-law. That is the main main motto of the motives of this.
Yeah. So this is there. Earlier, these things were very much valued. These things were very much given focus and priority. But nowadays, we consider it unnecessary. So the reason is, just if someone wants to get some happiness, someone wants to do something, so immediately he can search on Google. In 1 second, he can watch any movie he wants. He can do anything. He can see any article he wants to read. Okay. He can get access to the content which is not supposed to get access. Right. So easily you can get. So why do you need to be patient, be righteous, and all these things? Immediately जो आपको चाहिए मिल जाता है ना. You want to buy something, you can just order on Flipkart. 2 दिन में घर आ जाएगा. Right. So that is why we think that why do we require to be patient and all? It's unnecessary. It's a waste of time. And second, we find it troublesome. Trouble लगता है हमको because ये सब practice करने के लिए थोड़ा austerity लगता है. Not every person or not anyone will practice these things naturally. Okay. So it is difficult to give respect. How many of you agree with this? It is difficult to give respect to others. You can raise your hands. Fast. How many of you agree that it is difficult to give respect to others? दूसरे लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट देने के लिए मुश्किल है थोड़ा. यस, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स. अरे आप लोग कुछ छाया लग रहा है. यस, धीरज बी एस सरनेश अद्रिका पवन प्रतीश.
Sir, giving respect means being in a respectful manner. We can use 2 or 3 words. That is not troublesome.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
And maintaining a courtesy, that is also not so troublesome. according to
Oh, you good boy. But generally, at least this is my experience, like giving respect to anyone is little difficult. So I remember when we used to, whenever any teacher comes to the class, it is a, what you can say, it is a good habit to get up and greet the teacher by saying good morning, ma'am, good morning, sir. Right? Then if teacher asks something like, how are you, how is your study going on, then it is decent and it is considered respectful to reply. है ना? But at least I have seen in my classes many times. I'm not discouraging anyone still. So many times students they don't reply. At least online में तो नहीं करते. Who will say good morning, good evening क्या है? तो बैठो पढ़ाओ सर अभी, है ना? So it is a natural tendency of everyone to not respect. At least in this condition state, हम लोग दोनों दूसरों को respect करना उतना अच्छा लगता नहीं है. We feel that people should respect me, you know, people should glorify me, people should honor me. No, why should I honor? I'm, you know, great. Everyone feels like that little bit, honestly. So it is difficult to give that respect to someone else. है ना? So that is why people consider this as troublesome also. Okay. Then actually I've seen, that is why I'm saying all this. So now due to this, values and culture in our life, they have eroded. Eroded मतलब erosion पता है ना सब लोगों को? Soil erosion सुना होगा शायद.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Something good is there, it gets eroded with time. It fades away with time. So the values and culture which are present in our textbooks, they have been eroded. Then also from the lives of people, the values and culture are gradually getting eroded. धीरे धीरे कम होते जा रहा है. And nowadays you'll see people are becoming more materialistic. People are having more what you can say, bad tendencies growing. ठीक है? Not all of you at least, I know, but if you see in general, this is that what is happening. People are a bit making what you can say. So now people are becoming more and more materialistic. They want to enjoy life. They don't care for others. They know my way is the highway, right? So that is what the general tendency of the population is becoming, and that is why you see so many crimes are being happening now. So many, what you can say, people are becoming more addicted to bad things like intoxication and all. So these values have been gradually been eroded from our lives, from our textbooks, and from the lives of people also. Right? So coming back to the point, कि इतना distraction क्यों हो रहा है? So we know that the values and culture is very important, but कहाँ चला गया सब? Right? So the problem lies in what you can say is people don't know. Like people are little bit ignorant about this. Okay. So that is the problem. So let me just begin with the very basics of today's session, and I would like to take more question answers at the end. So I'll just give a brief summary of what the Shastras tell. So this description is given in the Vedas and the Bible. This is about the levels of existence. Just like last seminar, we studied about that causes, like types of distraction. Can anyone name the 3 types of distraction? Anyone remembers? Yes, Swapnabit?
Sir, can you repeat your question?
Can you name the 3 types of distractions which we studied in the last class? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Swapnabit?
So that Indra's distraction of that Rishi named
That is first seminar.
So I forgot the name of that rishi. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. वो फर्स्ट सेमिनार का था, सेकंड सेमिनार में भी पढ़ा था हमने. Three types
Can
of.
I try?
अरे भूल गया क्या?
Sir, can I try?
Yeah.
Sir, can I?
First distraction is that which is due to ourselves, then other is due to someone else, and third is due to nature.
Yeah, very good, perfect. Thank you, Pradeep.
Sir, can I name the 3 distractions?
Yes, Barnik.
आध्यात्मिका, अधिभौतिका, अधिदैविका.
Adidaivik. Okay, very good. So I'm very happy that आप लोग याद रख रहे हैं. Very good. So 3 types of distraction: due to our own body and mind, due to other people, and due to nature. So similarly, the Shastras describe 3 levels of our existence. जो हम हैं, हमारे 3 level में हम लोग जीते हैं, या फिर we exist in 3 levels, different levels. So Shastras talk very scientifically, ठीक है? And you can verify this also. If you contemplate little bit by yourselves, you'll be able to understand this. So would anyone like to read this out? Adrika? Yes, Adrika, would you read this out? Okay, Adrika नहीं बोल रहे.
Yes, sir, you asked anything, sir, can you repeat?
What?
Sir, what you said, can you repeat?
Yeah, you just read this out.
I will read it, okay.
Yeah.
Levels of our existence. Nitya Sarira, inner existence, Linga Sarira, intermediate existence, Sthula Sarira, external self-existence.
Yeah. So the Shastras tell about 3 levels of our existence. One is external, जो बाहरी होता है. Then one is intermediate, ठीक है, and one is inner. Okay. So this is a little deep and generally समझ में आता नहीं है. So थोड़ा धीरे-धीरे पढ़ते हैं इसको. So I just go into details. Now the external existence, this is the existence of the physical body, right? So जो हमारा body है, physical body, this is our external existence. Just like I have a hand, I have eyes, I have ears, I have nose, I have a tongue, then I have legs. So I have stomach, heart, lungs. So all this is my physical body. And generally the entire education which we get, it is about the physical body only. So this is the faculty through which we interact with the surroundings. So with the eyes we can see. So आप लोग अभी सब स्क्रीन के सामने बैठे हुए हैं, मोबाइल या फिर लैपटॉप, and you are seeing with your eyes, right? So that is why you are able to see the PPT. Okay. If you close your eyes, you will not be able to see, right? Then with the ears, you are hearing. So आप अगर earphone लगाए होंगे या फिर लैपटॉप से आवाज आ रहा होगा. So with the help of the ears, you are able to perceive sound. आप sound को आप सुन सकते हैं, right? Then with the help of the nose, you are able to smell. So if something tasty is being cooked in your kitchen right now, you'll be able to smell. Or if any delicious, what you can say, कुछ delicious अगर आपके सामने आता है तो पहले आप smell करते हैं. Or if you take an incense, if you burn the incense, so you're able to smell the incense. ठीक है? So ये हमारा एक level का existence है. The body which we have, this is also us. ठीक है? In one sense ये हम हैं, है ना? So this is the external self, and generally we are taught about this. ठीक है? And also using this we can do many things. So I'll just try to make a. I'll not make it. So using this body, we can do many things. We do many things. Like using this body, we go to our schools, we attend the seminars like this. Then we eat. Then we see various things. We perceive the world around us through this physical body, right? So this physical body consists of basically our senses. In short, if I write, the different senses which we have, this consists of the entire physical body. ठीक है? ऐसा होता है. So generally हमारे external self का बात होता है, and हम लोग भी generally external self में absorbed रहते हैं. Generally कितने लोगों को भूख लगता है? I'll ask honestly. How many of you feel hungry sometimes?
Me.
You can raise your hand.
I also.
Me.
Yeah. So you
Sir,
feel hungry, right?
me also.
हाँ, वो क्या बोल रहा है?
Sir, I also feel
Yeah.
hungry sometimes.
So why do you feel hungry? Because your stomach is empty and you want to eat something, right? So that is why you feel hungry. Then how many of you want to see something very beautiful? You can raise your hands.
Can you repeat what you said? See something?
Something beautiful. How many you want to see something beautiful? आंखों से.
Sir, in what sense? Like a painting, picture?
Anything. You want to see nature. You want to see the stars. You want to. Yes. How many of you agree?
Sir, I agree. Sir.
Me,
Sir,
sir.
everyone. Sir, I think that everyone likes to see something beautiful, like
Yeah.
stars, nature.
So with the eyes you want to see something beautiful. Then with the ears you want to hear something melodious. How many of you agree with this?
Said me.
Sir, repeat your question.
How many of you want to hear something melodious? कुछ
Sir, not
अच्छा
always.
सुनने का अच्छा लगता है.
Sir,
ठीक
not
है, मैं-
always.
Not always. Sometimes at least you want to hear.
Yes, sir. Not always. It's
है ना?
50-50.
So okay. ठीक है. How many of you like to go to school? Please raise your hand.
Sir, can you repeat your question?
How many of you want to like to go to school? School जाना अच्छा लगता है. अरे बाप रे. Many students. Wow. Riya, Pavan, Swapnavit, Adrika.
School is the place where we are safe from our parents.
Is the place where we are free from?
Free and safe from parents.
Oh. So yeah. So like this. Okay, coming back to the point. So generally what
Sir,
happens?
it is our second home.
Yeah. So coming back to the point again. कहाँ थे हम लोग? Yeah. So we generally deal with this world in terms of the physical body only. Body के हिसाब से हम लोग deal करते हैं, है ना? Okay. Now let me come to something more deeper. Now there is something called as a mental body also, है ना? And in common language, this is called the conscience. ठीक है? Now generally we are not very much habituated to be conscious of this. ठीक है, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो भी आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा, क्योंकि जनरली हम लोग सोचते ही नहीं माइंड के बारे में. But if you carefully observe, many times when you are little peaceful or you are little alone, then you can hear a voice within your own mind. How many of you agree with this? आप कुछ सुन सकते हैं. If you are alone with no one else, so you start to hear something from within.
Always I hear.
Yes, sir.
Inner
Sir,
voice.
not only that, so when we are going to take a decision also, like a bold one.
So it is a daily experience, nahi? But if you go in a secluded place, little peaceful, and no one is around at least, so that time what happens? You are able to perceive that you have a mind also, and that mind also speaks. So you'll start. Suppose you are facing a problem, then you'll start to get suggestions. You should act like this. You should do like this. You should do this. You should not do this. है ना? Then many times the mind becomes agitated. I want to do like this. I want to enjoy this. Like, I'll give a simple example. Suppose tomorrow there is exam. आपके स्कूल में फाइनल एग्जाम है कल, ठीक है? And the day before the exam you have क्या बोले, ठीक है, IPL का फाइनल है suppose. So suppose there is IPL final. IPL अगर कोई देख रहा होता है, and day after that is your exam, स्कूल का फाइनल एग्जाम है, ठीक है? So even though you know that studying for the exam is little more priority, है ना? एग्जाम में अच्छा करना जरूरी है.
Sir, your voice was not coming.
Voice is not clear.
Yes, sir, it is clear, sir.
Yes, sir, it is low. It is a little bit low. That is why.
It's okay. It's okay.
Different
Now
people
it's
get different experience. Okay. So suppose there is, I'll try to speak little slowly now. I have a habit of going super fast, so I'll go little slow. Okay. The topic also requires slowness. So suppose there is IPL final. IPL का final है, and next day of that final you have your school exam, final exam school का. If
So the exam is starting next day or ending tomorrow?
final exam है, IPL final है,
Yes,
final
sir.
exam है. ठीक है.
It can be anything, but we have a final exam.
Yeah.
Sir, whatever it
So
may be,
if
but
there is a
the
last
importance is
exam, I
same.
will watch the highlights, and it was starting. Then I will watch the match in YouTube or any source.
Really intelligent boy. Okay. But if you see yourselves, मतलब एग्जाम के पहले अगर आपको पता है कि आईपीएल का फाइनल होने वाला है, ठीक है, सो नेचुरली आपको अंदर से लगेगा ना, आपका माइंड बोलेगा कि एग्जाम तो ठीक है, एग्जाम तो पढ़ लिया, अभी तो काफी अच्छे से पढ़ लिया, लेट मी जस्ट वॉच दिस फाइनल वंस एंड थोड़ी देर देखते देन विल स्टडी, है ना. Or you might think I'll watch the match for first 10 hours only. After that, I'll study, and then I'll watch for last 10 hours. ऐसा होता है, right? So what I'm trying to tell is, our mind negotiates and it talks with us. ठीक है? So जो हमारा inner voice होता है, that is called the conscience. ठीक है? And generally that voice comes from the mind. Okay. So ये थोड़ा high level होगा, शायद समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये सब क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Little.
Yes, sir.
Little bit. Okay.
Sir, it's clear.
So I'll just elaborate on the mental body. What are the mental parts of the mental body? So generally the mental body has 3 parts. It is classified in 3 different parts. One is the mind. Then second is the intelligence. And third part is the ego. Okay. So this is stated in the Bhagavad Gita also. क्या है? Man, buddhi, ahankar. So mind is called man, intelligence is called buddhi, and ego is called ahankar, or ahankar is called ego. ठीक है? So these are the 3 different aspects of the mental body. ठीक है? And जो भी हमारे अंदर चलता रहता है, ठीक है? So ये तीनों की वजह से होता है. Like, how many of you agree that you have some intelligence? कितने लोग एग्री करते हैं इंटेलिजेंस है भाई आपके पास थोड़ा? ये सब लोग एग्री नहीं कर रहे हैं. बाप रे. ये सादी, पवन, प्रतिका, इंटेलिजेंस है ना आपके पास? Okay. So most of you agree that you have intelligence. ठीक है? Okay. How many of you can see intelligence? आपको दिखता है कि intelligence? कितने लोग देख पाते हैं अपना इंटेलिजेंस? देखो मेरा इंटेलिजेंस यहाँ रखा हुआ है, या फिर मेरा इंटेलिजेंस यहाँ पे है. Yes. So generally we cannot perceive the intelligence. ठीक है? But है. आप लोग एग्री किए इंटेलिजेंस है, but we are not able to perceive. ठीक है? So because these things are little subtle, a little bit deeper, so generally people don't inquire about this, and people are not interested about this. ठीक है? And that is why many problems arise. So because we do not treat people, understanding that these people also have some mind, the people also have intelligence, people also have ego. So if you deal properly, if you keep these things in mind, then आप लोग अच्छे से लोगों के साथ behavior कर सकते हैं, and you can deal with your own self also properly. If you know कि how is your mind working, then how is your intelligence, and how is your ego, then it is little more easier to, what you can say, avoid the distractions. ठीक है? So this is the second mental body, and the third is most deep and most subtle, and generally this is hardly studied. So the third level of our existence is our deep inner self, very deep inner self, and that is the source of our consciousness. ये हमारे consciousness का source होता है. That is the inner self. Okay. Now you might ask, sir, what is consciousness first of all? है ना? So I'll just give a simple example. क्या example दे सकते हैं? Okay. Suppose you live demo तो कर नहीं सकते. Okay. Simple example. Suppose you put your finger, आपका जो finger है ये वाला, you put this finger in fire. Fire है क्या यहाँ पे नहीं है? So, suppose you put your finger in fire, then what will happen? Can anyone describe?
Our finger will get burned.
Okay, but उसके बाद क्या होगा?
Will feel pain.
Yeah. So you are able to feel pain, or you are able to perceive the pain, है ना? Right? But now suppose the same finger is cut, and you put that टूटा हुआ finger in fire. Then क्या होगा?
Nothing.
काटने के वक्त दर्द होगा, पर जब वो कटे हुए उंगली को आग में जलाएंगे तब दर्द नहीं होगा हमें.
Yes, correct. So you are able to understand now that you are not the finger. ठीक है? And because the finger is separated from your body, then you are not able to perceive the heat. है ना? So this is what is called consciousness. They both is little deep, and what you can say. Slowly you will understand this. So this is what is consciousness. ठीक है? Now there is one example. So like this, actually the consciousness, again this Bhagavad Gita tells that the consciousness which is there, it is pervading the entire body. ठीक है? That is why you are conscious of the entire body. आपका जो पूरा body है, you are conscious of that. ठीक है? So एक experiment करेंगे छोटा सा thought experiment.
So what experiment?
What experiment, sir?
Thought experiment.
Thought.
Okay. So let us do a small experiment. ठीक है?
So what
So
do we need?
हाँ?
So do we need a copy here?
क्या do you need to?
A copy.
नहीं ये आपको कॉपी के साथ नहीं करना है. So yeah. So now everyone can close their eyes 2 minutes के लिए. ठीक है? So wherever you're sitting, अगर जैसे बैठे आप, just close your eyes for 2 minutes. Okay. ठीक है? I'm putting faith in all of you that you have closed your eyes. So try कर सकते, थोड़ा मजा भी आएगा. ठीक है? लाइफ में कुछ तो अलग करना चाहिए ना. So you can also try. ठीक है? मैं भी close कर रहा हूँ. So first of all, just close your eyes. ठीक है? Now, as you have closed your eyes right now slowly try to perceive the floor. अगर आप फ्लोर पे बैठे तो you try to perceive the floor with your leg. ठीक है? So if you are sitting, तो आपका पैर फ्लोर पे लगा होगा, right? So try to perceive the floor. ठीक है? Try to move your fingers of the leg.
Sir, can you repeat? What did you say just now?
Try to perceive the floor जहाँ पे आप बैठे हुए. Then now slowly try to perceive that you have a leg also, you have a knee, then you have thighs, then after that you have stomach, है ना? Then after that you can try to move your fingers also. ठीक है? You have the fingers, try to move the fingers. And okay. Then you can try to feel your breathing. This is a very critical part. So we are inhaling slowly, slowly. And then we are exhaling also. Then again we are inhaling. Then again you are exhaling. Then again inhaling and exhaling. Okay. Now if you are very careful, if you have really closed your eyes, then you'll be able to hear the heartbeat also. If you put your hand on your chest, you'll be able to hear the heartbeat, at least feel the heartbeat. Okay. Okay. So now everyone can open their eyes. Okay. So as I went through the different parts of the body, I hope that you're able to perceive different things. With your legs, you're able to perceive the floor. Okay. Then with your fingers, at least when you're moving the fingers, you're able to perceive that you have fingers, you have a hand, and you have different parts of the body. Okay. And if you carefully observe the breathing also, then you are inhaling and exhaling, right? And then finally, if you put your hand on the chest, you'll be able to feel and hear the heartbeat also, at least feel the heartbeat. Okay. So from this small meditation, we're able to see that we are conscious of all the parts of the body. हर एक बॉडी का जो पार्ट है हम लोग उसके बारे में जानते हैं और उसको हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं कुछ हद तक और उसको परसीव कर सकते हैं ठीक है सो द इनर सेल्फ विच इज देयर इट इज द सोर्स ऑफ दिस कॉन्शियसनेस ठीक है तो कॉन्शियसनेस पूरे बॉडी में है अभी एंड उसका सोर्स दैट वी आर एक्चुअली ठीक है एंड दैट इन द लिटरेचर्स in the scriptures that is called the soul. So generally we hear the word soul, right? So that is the soul. Okay. So yes, sir. So these are the basic levels of our existence. One is the external body, physical body which we have. Another is the mind, okay, which is intermediate. And third is the soul, which is our inner self. ठीक है ओके तो ये जानना जरूरी है कि हम लोग कौन है पहले नाउ आई जस्ट गिव अ स्मॉल एनालॉजी जिससे हम लोग इसको समझ सकते हैं and after that I'll take some questions. So suppose you are sitting in front of a laptop. Okay, so laptop has a screen and it has the keyboard, various buttons are there. Okay, and there is a person who is operating the laptop. Okay, so if I try to make the diagram of the person, so there will be a person who is operating the laptop. Okay, and he is sitting on the chair. Okay, so the computer which is there, it has something called as a hardware. Okay, hardware होता है computer का. So the computer has the memory card, it has the RAM, then it has the screen, it has the keyboard, it has the mouse. So with the help of the hardware, we give inputs to the computer. बहुत सारे input देता है हम लोग, ठीक है? And generally screen में हमारा output भी आता है, जो final output होता है. Okay. Now inside the laptop, hardware is very easily visible, but inside the laptop there is something called as a software also. Right. So software is not easily visible. Okay. But software is very important. Whatever inputs you give to the hardware through typing, through the mouse, or through the voice, so जो भी input जाता है hardware में, that is processed by the software, right? And then the software processes it and again gives the feedback to the hardware, which is shown in the screen. ऐसा होता है. And then third person involved is the person himself, the operator. Okay. So the operator is the person who is operating the laptop or PC. ठीक है. Now, जैसे हमारा कंप्यूटर होता है, similarly we are also something like that. ठीक है, just an analogy. So the hardware can be compared to our physical body, the body which we have. So the eyes, the ears, the nose, the different senses, hands, legs, stomach, heart, lungs, brain. So this is the physical body, like the physical body, hardware. जो हमको बाहर ही दिखता है, it is externally very easily visible and बहुत gross होता है. Then the software is like the mind or the mental body. ठीक है. So mental body, we are not generally, दिखता नहीं है mental body. हमको mind दिखता नहीं है, intelligence दिखता नहीं है. We are not, what you can say, we are not seeing the ego also. But होता है, ठीक है. And generally what happens, जब भी software खराब हो जाता है ना, तो hardware काम नहीं करते. So similarly, whenever the mind is disturbed or the mental body is disturbed, that time our physical body also gets affected, right? So if a person is very stressed out or he has a lot of anxiety, then his physical body will also not work properly. He becomes anxious. His physical body will also become weak. Or suppose you are very frustrated or angry, or you are very fearful. Okay. So the scientists call this, there's an adrenaline burst. Adrenaline means fight or flight mode. So what happens, our mind sometimes it becomes so much agitated that it completely takes over the physical body. And आप कुछ सोच नहीं पाते हैं, कुछ कर नहीं पाते हैं. And it's like बहुत बड़ा block आ जाता है आपके mind में, है ना? So that is like this mental body which we have. So generally it is peaceful, but जब भी mental body disturb होता है, so we are not able to perceive and we cannot function, our physical body cannot function properly. ऐसा होता है. And finally, the person or the operator operating the laptop, this is the person which is the soul, or which is, if you can say, actually this is me, I, or you can say I. Okay. So the soul is different from the hardware and software. The person is different from the hardware and software. And similarly, the soul is different from the physical body and mental body. And this soul actually uses the software and hardware to do things in the world. Okay. But actually, soul has a existence which is completely different from this. ऐसा होता है. ठीक है. So these are the three levels of our basic existence. Okay. Now the problem is the modern technology attacks our mental body. इसके ऊपर अटैक होता है. So from all sides we get so many distractions, bombardments. Just like Vishwamitra Muni, he was attacked by Menaka or by the ankle wells of Menaka. So actually she was quite far away from Vishwamitra Muni. Still just by hearing, and then the mind, it started to function. So that is why he got agitated. Right. Similarly, the blacksmith, in the case of blacksmith, even though the entire procession came, still he was not agitated. So even the physical body was completely in trouble. Still, because his mind was peaceful, his mind was completely focused, and his intelligence was fixed. So he was not deterred. Right. So this is why the understanding this is important, because all the distractions, they attack the mental body. So if you are able to make the mental body strong, then you'll be able to withstand the onslaught of the distractions. But if your mental body is little weak, then you'll be very easily distracted. Okay. ऐसा है. So ठीक है. So this is for today's session. Okay. Now I would like to take some questions and I would like to answer some questions. Okay. आज का थोड़ा deep session था. So if you all have some questions, you can please ask. Okay. You can message if you want, or if you can ask directly. Any questions, comments? You want to share something?
The tips of this class.
Tips. Okay, I'll just go over the tips then. Just a second. But before that, I want to give some, take some questions. Actually, I have not completed the chapter actually. अभी तो chapter शुरू है बस. There is a story also.
Sir, you are teaching us from any book or what?
Not a particular book, few books. Okay, Dheeraj, you can ask your question. Actually, you can ask any question. It may not be related to this session directly. Session से related हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. But it should be related to concentration and. ठीक है. Yes, Dheeraj, you can ask your question, please. Take your time. If you need time to think, also you can think. Okay, the first question I've got is, how can we improve our communication skills? So I'll just share this. So quite a good question. So the question is, how can we improve our communication skills? Okay. So communication skills can be easily improved by associating with people who are good in communication. Okay. So if you want to acquire any skill in life, अगर आपको life में कोई भी skill चाहिए, so you require association. Just like if you want to become a good badminton player, अगर badminton आपको बहुत अच्छा खेलना है, if you want to become international badminton player, then also need a coach who knows how to train people to play international badminton, right? ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी train कर देगा जो घर के बाजू में रहता है, right? So similarly, if you want to improve your communication skills, you should try to associate and hear from those people who have very good communication. Okay. So I can see, at least when I was in IIT for 5 years, so most of this communication skills I developed in there, and especially while I was attending the sessions like this. So I remember Rohit sir used to give some sessions to us.
Sir, you graduated from IIT or you are still?
I'm graduated now. I graduated 2 months ago. Okay. So I remember most of the skills, like communication skills, I developed just by hearing from him and hearing from people who are very good at communication. So I know 4 or 5 people at least. Just by hearing from them and conversing with them, my communication improved. ठीक है. So generally क्या होता है कि हम लोग communication बढ़ाने के लिए फिर कोई भी skill लेने के लिए हम लोग book पढ़ते हैं. We try to read a book and we try to do this and that. But the best way to learn something is you should associate with a person who has good communication skill. Okay, that is a simple answer actually. So suppose there is some friend who is very good at speaking English or who is very good at communicating. So just by being with him, talking with him, then asking his tips, asking his help, so you will improve in that. Okay. There's no secret formula. There's a secret actually. So yeah, there's the answer. एक analogy दे सकता हूँ to extend.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है. I think this is enough. This answer is okay. So one student is asking, sir, actually I am thinking to buy a laptop and my parents are telling that. I just copy this. I'll not tell the name, okay? No problem. So good question. Session का impact हो रहा है लग रहा है. I'm thinking to buy a laptop and my parents is telling that I will buy you after 10th. So I'm thinking that after attending your sessions, I am feeling that no need of laptop. Can you suggest or tell any point on it or opinion? Okay. So at least I feel कि class 10th में laptop का तो जरूरत होता नहीं है. For studies at least, I know. So as far as I remember, it depends also. Like from my childhood, I was on computer. When I was a very small baby also. There's a photo of me on computer. Just maybe 1-2 years, I may be that much old. But I was using computer. Okay. So from childhood only, I am on computer. Okay. And I had a knack of it. But after some time, I used to mostly use laptop, like computer for non-educational purpose only. So after some time, I stopped using it. I think in 5th, 6th standard, I did not use laptop. And if there's some specific purpose in mind, if laptop कुछ specific purpose है, like if you want to attend good online class attend करने के लिए आपको जरूरी है, तो शायद सोच सकते हैं. ठीक है. अगर आपको आँख, if you are getting eye problems, seeing class in laptop or mobile, then that might be a problem. ठीक है. So
sir, actually in normal days it is not necessary, but sir, during this lockdown period it is a necessity.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. That if it's really required, then you can see. अगर वो घर पे पहले से लैपटॉप है तो नया लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. You try to manage with that. And I would suggest कि अगर बहुत necessary तभी लो, नहीं necessary तो लेने की जरूरत नहीं. Because with that laptop, many other things will also come, which is difficult to deal with. Okay. So this is my small answer. Okay. Dheeraj. So this is there. Now next question, sir, how will we control our mental body? Please tell, I forgot. This is the third question which I have. How will we control our English improve करना होगा. Narit, how will we, शायद we लिखना होगा आपको. How will we control our mental body? Please tell, I forgot. Okay. So how to control the mental body? अच्छा question है. So there are many ways actually. Last time also I described last Sunday. So there are some basic things which you can do in your life. अगर आप कुछ basic habits cultivate कर सकते हैं, that will be helpful to controlling your mind. At least mind तो control कर सकते हैं. So one habit I told about early waking and early sleeping. Early to rise, early to bed. Right. This is one thing you can do. So you can try to sleep little early, maybe 9 or 10 p.m. and try to get up early. 5. Okay. And मैं कुछ बहुत, I'm not telling something utopian actually. I see many people, they do this. At least अगर आप उठेंगे ना सुबह आपको पता चलेगा. Because when I was also in my teenage, I used to play sports and all. So we used to go to the club in the morning. I used to wake up at 5. We used to go to play basketball. So सुबह सुबह सब लोग उठ के exercise करते हैं. They go for morning walks and all. Actually ऐसा नहीं कि लोग करते नहीं, ऐसा करते हैं. Many people are there, and it is observed that most of the successful people which are there, they are having this habit: early to rise, early to bed. उल्टा हो गया शायद. Okay. So most of the successful people which are there in the world, they follow this. I can name a few if you want. There is Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon. Then there is Elon Musk, Bill Gates. Then practically all the sports persons. जो भी sports person है, who are successful, they also wake up early. They try to go to sleep early. So this is very effective because जो morning time होता है, it is very very conducive, and it is very very beneficial for our mind. So that is a, if you are able to do this, आपको धीरे धीरे इसका effect दिखेगा, ठीक है? तो now ठीक है, I'll give something more practical. अभी क्या हो सकता है कि शायद आप लोग 12 बजे सो रहे हैं रात को, ठीक है? So if you try to jump from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है सबको. So what you can do if you are sleeping at 12 p.m. every day, so you try to sleep little earlier. You try to sleep at 11:55 p.m. ठीक है? तो 3 दिन के लिए बस 5 मिनट थोड़ा कम कर लो. Then again next 3 days you try to little bit reduce. Try to sleep at 11:30 p.m. ठीक है? So try to gradually reduce that. So if you do it, then अगर आप 10 p.m. तक आते हैं या 9 p.m. तक आ सकते हैं. It's difficult, I know, at home because parents and all are there. तो वो लोग जल्दी सोते नहीं कभी कभी. But I know many people who are successful. Many of my friends also. They used to get up very early in the morning. They used to do the exercise, meditation, and gear up for the day. Planning. It's very important. So this is the first tip I would give again. And the second thing I can tell. Yeah, second thing, you can do meditation. So because now meditation has been recognized by the entire world, there is something called as International Day of Yoga. Entire day, the entire world celebrates yoga.
Yes, sir. It is 21st June, February. Sorry.
Yeah.
Not 21st what?
I don't know the date exactly. 21st कुछ होता है.
It will be 21st, I'm sure.
Yeah.
21st June, sir.
So 21st June.
Okay, 21st June. So now, because this, actually what you are asking is a very genuine question. Because most of the people in this today's age, they're struggling with the mental body. इतना struggle होता है. I mean, literally, I know so many cases. They're struggling with their mind so much. Like, बहुत होता है. I also struggle actually. ऐसा नहीं कि I am free from this struggle. So, because our mind gives so many troubles, it will give us useless thoughts. It will distract us many times. It will not let us focus on the thing which we want to do. So many different things come. So yeah, meditation is a very good proven way of controlling your mind. So you can try that also. काफी अच्छा होता है. And there are different types of meditation I told. See, every session I'm telling same only. You can do normal meditation, yoga कर सकते हैं. You can do mantra meditation or pranayama. You can do different types of meditation are present. So if you practice this meditation slowly, your mind will automatically become calm, and you will be able to see things as they are. Okay. So these are the two things in general which are applicable for everyone. अगर ये दो चीज अगर follow करेंगे आप लोग, so it is assured कि आपका mind धीरे धीरे stable होगा. ठीक है. And there are some more tips also which I will share slowly. Okay. Yes, I have. So this is answer for how will you control a mental body. Now one more question is from Barnik. This question is, so he's asking that, is late night study good or bad? So actually, I've clearly given my opinion for this many times. It is not good to study late at night because it completely goes against our body clock. Completely goes against our body clock. So actually, our body has a natural tuning with the nature. So if you see at night, there is like at night what happens? Slowly the light reduces, and naturally all the activities also stop. Office बंद हो जाता है. People stop working. They come home. They relax. है ना? So naturally, what happens at evening and night? The entire world, or you can say the entire nature, is slowly becomes little calm and peaceful, and it goes into the mode of relaxation. Okay. So at that time, at least at the night, what happens? Our body is meant to be relaxed. So that is the way the nature is designed. So if you are relaxing and if you are sleeping at the night, then what automatically the body is in nature, it is in sync with the nature. And due to this, what happens? Our body naturally gets rejuvenated. And when you will wake up in the morning, you'll feel very enthusiastic and rejuvenated. But same thing if you do,
Sir, I have a doubt.
same thing if you do a late night study. So next day morning you will see. अगर आप suppose सुबह 12 बजे या 1 बजे सोते हैं या 2 बजे सोते हैं. So next day morning if you wake up at 5 p.m. Sorry, 5 नहीं. If you wake up at 7 a.m. or something. So after waking up you will feel very sleepy. You'll feel very tired. And you'll feel कि something is missing. Naturally feel होता है वो. ठीक है. So that is the like simple reason. It completely goes against our body clock. And also late night sleeping, it is attributed to many diseases also. बहुत सारे diseases, obesity, laziness, lack of energy, then lack of immunity. Many diseases have been correlated with not sleeping properly. At least 6 to 7, 8 hours sleep होना चाहिए. That should be at night. And especially this time from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. This is the most crucial part of the sleep. This is where the most of the purification happens. The body releases the intoxicants and all this thing. So at least ये time पे तो we should try कि we are completely asleep. ठीक है. So this is my suggestion, my honest suggestion. Okay. But
Thank
what
you,
is your
sir.
doubt? What is your doubt, Pawan? Yes, Pawan, आपका doubt क्या है?
Sir, there is a famous quote like study while others sleep. That generally indicates that late night study. Sir, I personally experienced that early morning studies, that while we study in the early morning, there is someone or usually anyone in with us, like our parents or somebody else. But sir, when in late night studies, nobody's there, so there is no traffic, there is no honking and all on the road, so it's very peaceful. So for me, I feel that that peaceful environment is better for study. Yes, sir. What you told is absolutely correct. That whenever I get up after late night study, I feel that something is lacking, but that gets to my brain. Like when I study, when I do late night studies, that gets to my brain. It's very peaceful environment, so I like that environment.
Okay. So good question or good suggestion, I think. So the peaceful environment is required for study. That is correct. So that is why instead of studying late night, like लोग night out करते हैं ना. You must have heard this term, night out. सूरज night out मारता है.
Sir,
Just
have
a
you
second.
means
Let me tell. So
okay,
if you want
sir.
to suppose study in a very peaceful environment, so instead of like being awake at the night and then sleeping, you can sleep little early and wake up early. So you can try to wake up at 4 a.m. Okay, 4:30, 5 a.m. So generally this time is also peaceful. 4 बजे भी कोई उठता नहीं generally. Okay. So that time the environment will be very peaceful, and more importantly your body will be rejuvenated. So that will be even better. जो आप बता रहे that is also good. Peaceful रहता है, कोई honking नहीं होता है. But morning में भी ऐसा नहीं होता है. 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Again there is no cars and all, because we experience, at least I experience. So अगर सपोज किसी दिन इमरजेंसी हाउ टू स्टडी एट नाइट, अगर मतलब कल एग्जाम वगैरह या फिर some submission is there, so instead of studying very late night you can try to sleep early and wake up early. That will be again,
Yes,
you
sir.
can try that
Sir,
one.
but during exams, I study in the early morning, like 4:30 a.m. or 4 a.m. But
Okay, that's
normally, if required, then only I do it. Sir, and I want to ask you that, have you done late night studies?
have I done late night studies?
Yes, sir.
Actually, honestly speaking, I did not do much because I'll honestly tell, if I wake, अगर मेरा 10-11 बज जाता है ना, so I cannot just, I get sleep. I cannot, like, if there's some emergency and all, then I have to extend, but at least my body does not permit me to be awake late night. तो सो जाते हैं हम लोग ऐसे. ठीक है, so that is my honest reply. Generally, I'm early, like from my early childhood only, I'm waking up early, 5, 6, and sleeping early. I remember I used to sleep late when I was very much into social media. So after coming to IIT in first year, I developed the habit of sleeping late because that time I was very much into using WhatsApp, Facebook. But after, as soon as I stopped that, again I like came back to my routine. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Pratika, Dheeraj, Shadi, Narit. Quick questions, sir? Yes. Okay, so before I end, everyone can just turn on their videos so that I can see all of you.
Sir, what you told that 4 a.m. one, sir? How, sir? Generally, my mom only wakes me up, so I don't have an alarm clock. So, means I sleep with my parents. So if I wake up, generally my mom also wakes up, sir, and she does some work and all that sounds. So
That is very particular case. I'm just telling general principle.
that's right. That's why I prefer late night studies.
Okay. Everyone can just turn on their
But
videos. अरे रुको पहले सबको video on कर देते हैं.
sir,
चलो
but
video.
your thing was absolutely correct. Like there's something lacks when we get up after late.
Yeah. इस पास जल्दी video on करो. Okay. So how was the seminar today? अरे बाकी लोग अद्रिका, शुभंकर, नैरित, प्रीतीश, शादी, पवन, BS. Fast. ठीक है, obviously 1 घंटा लेक्चर सुनने के बाद नींद आएगा. I understand your plight. But still, 2 मिनट के लिए ऑन कर लो वीडियो. Okay, so everyone is awake. That is very good. So how was the session today, all of you?
Sir, it was very nice.
Awesome, sir.
In fact, it was very
Yes, Adrita,
informative.
Adrika, Pradika. Yes, how was it today? I am seeing some students are very confused. Sir, क्या बोल रहे थे? आज क्लास में क्या बता रहे थे सर? पता नहीं सर. बाप रे, कुछ तो हाई लेवल बता दिया. ऐसा था क्या? Okay. So now this is the very small thing. We'll be continuing this session and we'll be getting the root cause. Okay. Now the sessions are going to be a little more deep, and now is the time you can really transform your mind. Okay. This is the tough part. Generally, आप मुश्किल होता है सबको. So this is there. Okay. ठीक है. So next time we will be trying to have the session in morning. Some students
Yes, sir.
suggested.
That is very beneficial, sir. Actually, we are very.
That can be nice.
Some students. What do you all think? Swapnavit, VS, Hadi.
Sir, because evening time, Sunday, generally, sir, we are tired because we have classes and Sunday only we have exams and also. So it is better if we have mornings.
Yes, so it is better if you have a morning.
Sir, it will be more beneficial, in fact, if we have
Sir, actually,
morning.
I am not free I am not free till 1 p.m. I'm fully packed till 1 p.m.
अरे
6:30 to 1 p.m.
6:30 to you're not free.
Not free from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. sir.
So can
अरे
you take classes from before 7 a.m.?
before 7 a.m.
Yes.
Mm,
Or 4:30, that will be very nice.
actually, morning is very good time. 7 is
weather
also
will
good.
No, but do you have classes from 4:30?
No, no, I wake up. I don't have class.
No, sir. I'm asking Swapnapit sir. He was saying that he is so we should have classes before 4:30.
4:30 a.m. को नहीं करेंगे.
Yes, sir. That's
We'll try to do it in morning. I'll try to see if it's possible.
It is better to start at 8:30 to 10 o'clock around.
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir. We should wrap it before 9 or 10. Yes, sir.
The before 9 is good, sir. Before 9.
Yes, sir. That will be helpful also, beneficial.
Okay. Okay, so we'll try to have next time in the morning itself.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so okay, I'll end the class today. Thank you all for attending the session.
Bye, sir.
We'll meet on next Sunday. Chalo.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you everyone. अरे आप लोग एग्जाम कैसे गए भाई? ये सदरी का अधिरता was your exam?
Yes, sir. It was good. So the NAT exam.
Yeah, NEST exam.
Yes, sir. It was good.
Fine. A few questions were hard, but yes. it's fine.
What was asked? Can you send the question paper? I can just see.
No, there were videos. There were 10 questions, and there were videos. So we have to watch the videos, and we have to answer them.
Yes, sir. Well, like that.
Okay. But how did you manage the seminar and that both?
Sir, we completed the paper in only 6. We completed the paper. That's why we joined.
6 we completed it.
Okay. ठीक है. Actually, I wanted all my students to give, but उसका registration date खत्म हो गया था.
It's a mock test.
Okay. चलो. So thank you very much. Thank you all. We'll meet soon. Thank you everyone.
Bye, sir.